Well, we need a cart for our oxygen and acetylene bottles.
Yeah.
And I had this cart at home, and those wheels look cool.
Hey, you know what? Okay, we're good.
I had this cart at home, and those wheels look cool, and it's about the right width. So I'm gonna cut this up and make us a little cart out of it for the acetylene bottles. I do need to, this wheel is bent. See, watch it.
Oh yeah, it's super bent.
But we're gonna fix that too.
How you gonna fix that?
I'm gonna heat it up and beat the crap out of it. But I need to figure out how I'm gonna start and go ahead and get these on here.
All right.
Make us a little cart for our bottles.
We're just making all sorts of stuff today.
That's what we be doing.
All right. What are you beating on?
I'm beating on this thing. I'm gonna get this ready so that we can make a little doomaflachi.
Is that a doomaflachi?
We're gonna make a rack for this. The bottles are gonna fit in between it nicely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. I got it, I got it. Look at that. Put a little bit inside here. I'd say that's welded. Not the best.
What you doing, Chase?
I have no idea. I'm just trying to get a better angle on my dangle. I don't know if this is the trick. That one looks better. Oh shoot. Hold on.
Well, you got a lot of wire hanging out the end of that gun.
I know. That was, oh God, I screwed up.
Well, it got hot.
That little spot. Look at this nonsense.
What?
So look at this nonsense. When we put some bottles on there, these bottles gonna fit.
You measured it.
I told you I'm not even good at measuring. All right, we're having a trim. I'm gonna say because Russell didn't measure twice.
It's my fault.
I'm just jacking around.
It's all my fault.
No, it's probably because of my dumb measurements and cutting and welding. I probably did something wrong. Not gonna blame Russell.
I'll take the blame. It could be my crooked cut.
Nah, I think it's my crooked cart I'm building. This is where we've got so far. Dang, really?
Oh, it's just, I'll make it fit.
You gonna get a hammer, right? Oh no!
We don't even need to weld it.
I was just thinking, I'm gonna tack it.
I'm just kidding. We need to...
God, that's loud. Can you stop all that nonsense?
All right, we're off to take Granny to the grocery store.
Making a handle?
Making a handle so I can handle it.
All right, we're gonna put this handle on after he gets done. All right, we're done.
We're done.
For now. We've got some improvements we're gonna make on it. But it serves its purpose, right?
For a bunch of free material, like we didn't spend a dime on this cart.
No.
This, all this angle iron was laying around. These wheels came from my house. And we just turned the heat up and burned this sucker together.
Yeah. Russell's welds look a lot better than mine. How long you been doing that?
Like a week.
Week old welds. versus a couple day old. Well, you can't even see that because of the lighting. But man, it looks good. And now we don't just have these bottles just laying around.
Yeah.
I mean, I just want people to enjoy the stuff that we're doing.
We want to make people happy while we're making ourselves happy.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Let's go do it.
Let's go!
Let's go!